Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well by God's grace. So as you can see, today's video I'll be using ginger on my hair. So I'll be making ginger oil. So I'm going to show you how I use ginger and the Vaseline on my hair, which is so good to keep your hair moisturized and also growing. Ginger is also very good for our hair. Ginger have a lot of benefit for our hair. It help in hair growth. Ginger increase the blood circulation to the scalp of our hair and also enable this to grow healthy hair. So it also help to prevent dandruff, which is also good. Like ginger is so good for our hair. So now I'm just going to grate it. You can blend it. I always love to blend my stuff, but today I decided to just grate this. So that is just ginger for you. Ginger is so good. Amazing smell of ginger. It also have a very lovely smell to it, so that is so good also. So it's also very good to keep our hair, to prevent hair loss. Like when you are suffering from hair loss, just try ginger. When you have a thinning edges, thinning hair, or anywhere your hair is not growing so fast, just try rubbing ginger on your hair and you are going to see a very good result. So now I'm done grating my ginger, so I'm going to put it inside my pot. So now I will be cooking this with coconut oil. So you can use any oil of your choice. So I just choose to use coconut oil today. You can use olive oil. So coconut oil is a very moisturizing oil, so that's why I choose it, because of what I will be using it with my Vaseline. So keep watching so that you will see how I will use this with my Vaseline. So to my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you for always supporting my channel. Thank you so much. I cannot appreciate you guys enough, but God will bless you all and surprise you all. So to my returning, to if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you so much. So guys, now I'm done cooking my ginger. So this is how it's looking like. I'm just going to pour everything in my strainer and my sauce cap, so that there will be no residue in my oil. So like I was saying, if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification, share with your friends and family so that they can also share with their friends and family. So guys, here is my ginger oil. So this is how it's looking like now. So guys, this ginger oil is so rich. Like if you use it on your hair, you are going to testify. So here I'm going to add my essential oil. This is optional. If you don't have it, you can do without it. Okay, so you don't really have to go extra mile looking for essential oil. If you don't have it, you can just do without it. So I have it. So keeping it without using it does not really make any sense. So that's why I'm using it, because it also have a lot of benefit to our health. So there is different kinds of essential oil there, like orange, like rosemary, like lemongrass, like tree tea, like a lot of them. There are like 8 pieces something. So now I'm done applying adding my essential oil. So I'm just going to transfer into this little dark bottle. So that's where I will be using it on my hair for my hair growth. So now here is my ginger hair grow oil, as you can see. So guys, here I have my Vaseline. So you can use any Vaseline of your choice. So there's a lot of Vaseline in the market, so just get any Vaseline of your choice. So this is my Vaseline right here, which is so good to keep our hair and also for our skin. Okay, also keep good for our skin. So guys, Vaseline protects our hair against breakage and dryness. So when you have very dry hair and your hair is breaking, just try Vaseline and you are going to see a good result. Your hair is going to stop breaking and your hair is going to be moisturized also. So guys, now let me go and show you how I will use these two products on my hair. So guys, here is my hair. I've been using it on my hair for some time now. So I've already used it on my hair, so I just want to show you guys how I've been using this Vaseline and ginger oil on my hair. So this can keep your hair really soft, like keep your hair out of breakage. So ginger is also good for our hair grow, like it helps to stimulate our growth, so which is so good. Now I'm just going to grab my oil. So you can mix this oil with your Vaseline, or you can do it the way I want to do it. So either way is good. Okay, anyone that you choose to do, you can do it. They are good, they are all good for health. They are going to give you the same benefit for your health. You can cut a little of your Vaseline and add your ginger oil, mix it together and use it like that, or you can just use it the way I want to use it now. So now I'm going to take the oil and put it on my scalp first. Then after putting it on my scalp, I will rub it into my scalp to help to stimulate hair growth, to help to keep my blood flowing in the scalp. Then I'm going to put on my palm. So this on my palm, I'm going to rub it on my hair. So I'm going to rub this on my hair as a moisturizing oil to keep my hair moisturized because of the coconut oil that I use to cook this. So because of the coconut oil that I use to cook it, so now this is going to serve as a moisturizer and also a hair growing oil. So now I'm just going to I'm just trying to check my hair length every day. So now I'm going to take just little Vaseline to seal in that moisture to keep my hair um, out of dryness and also prevent breakage. So this is what I do with my Vaseline and ginger oil. So if you find this video helpful enough, enough to give me a thumbs up, to share with your friends, to subscribe, to turn on your post notification, please don't hesitate to do that. Just do it right away if you are not yet a subscriber. Okay, and if you just subscribe to my channel, wow, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Like, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much, I appreciate you. So after now, you're going to brush your hair to distribute the product to your hair very well. Just give it a light brush. So now I'm going to add I'm going to twist my hair. So there's nothing to add again, I'm just going to twist my hair, then I will go to the next step and do the same thing. So guys, I apply the product to my palm, already put it on my hair, on my scalp, then I'll just rub this on my hair. So I use water base. I use water first, then before the product. So guys, this is how I managed to keep my hair strong, like out of dryness and out of breakage. So when your hair is dry, it's going to break, and when your hair is breaking, you cannot retain that length that you want. So what is the need of trying to grow your hair when it's going to break? So Vaseline can help prevent hair breakage and also prevent hair dryness, so which is so good. Ginger oil is going to contribute to hair growth. You see, when you use ginger to grow your hair, you use the Vaseline to prevent dryness and breakage. You see, this is a perfect combo, like perfect combo for your hair to grow healthy and also out of breakage and dryness. So now I'm done twisting my hair. I'm done applying the product to on my hair. I'm going to do this throughout this week, so I'm going to use this product every day throughout this week. So yeah, so to see how my hair is going to react to these two products. So now I'm just massaging my scalp, massaging the oil and the Vaseline on my scalp to encourage hair growth, to encourage blood flow in the scalp, which is so important to massage your scalp. Like if you can massage your scalp like 5 to 10 minutes every day, you are going to love your hair. Your hair is going to really grow. So guys, now I'm done with this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it, hope you love it. Just give me a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye, stay safe.